This is just a quick video showing the Auxbeam Aux-Trend LED light bar. I hadn't seen much about it on YouTube before I bought it, so I was wanting to make something for everybody else. I'm very happy with it. I've had it on for about a week now, and the amber backlighting is awesome. I know they have green, I think another color or two possibly. I like the amber to match my daytime running lights though, and it is plenty bright during the daytime that you can see it. It's not dusk here yet, but it's kind of late evening, so it shows up pretty well, but it looks like this normally anyway. And here's a little better up close view of it. And I still have the plastic on the cover. You can see here, it has the Auxbeam logo lit up, and then all the LEDs have kind of a halo around them. The center of the light bar is the spotlights, and then the outside are floods, so they look a little bit different. You can kind of see there's a reflector housing in these lights, the floods, and then there's just an actual smooth housing in the spotlights. It is very bright at night. I'll try to put some video of that at the end of this video also, and then I'll go ahead and show you with the lights on, the actual spotlights. You can see, you can tell where the floods are here and here, and the spots right in the middle. And you can also see that the ambers are still lit up. If I shut my actual park lamps off, those will shut off too. So when you hook them up, it does come with a separate wire for the amber backlighting, so you don't have to have that on all the time. And like I said, mine just hooked to my park lamps, so when I shut my park lamps off, it kills the amber backlight. Kind of gives you a view of it without the lights on. Apologize for the engine noise, I should probably shut that off. But as you can tell, good looking light. I did have the bracket kit I bought from Auxbeam to mount it in my grill for my 2015 Tacoma. This is a 30-inch light bar. And we'll get to the after dark video. Okay, real quick video after dark. This is just an asphalt road. No lights. Park lamps. Headlights. Brights. And here's headlights with LED light bar. And the video doesn't really do it justice. It's pretty bright. You can see the signs down the road reflecting, picking up pretty big. Let's do headlights off. That's just the LED light bar only. You can see the spot up the middle, kind of floods to the right. I think I have it pointed down a little bit too much. I could probably aim it up a little bit more. Headlights back on. And again, brights off, LED light bar off. Let me see if I can get a better spot here. Okay, here's a little further down the road, just normal headlights on, and here's the brights, and here's the brights with the LED light bar. So it fills in a lot of the area. If I had it aimed up a little more, I think it would be a little better, but I mean, the video doesn't do it justice. I can see very well up ahead, and if I shut it off and just go complete bar only, you can see there's pretty good visibility. You can really tell those spotlights. Turn the brights back on. Can't really even tell they're on. yeah, going back and forth between them. There we go, brights. Brights off. Brights on. Brights off. So, pretty bright. That's about it for the video. I'm gonna go ahead and slow down here and stop. That way I'm not driving dangerously. So any questions, feel free to comment and ask. I'll probably leave it where it's at about now for the level. I can see, I'm guessing about, I don't know, 75 yards ahead of me pretty easily. The video only looks like it's about 50 yards out, but I don't know why it's not picking that up a little better. I'm assuming just because it's my phone, but you can still kind of see up there quite a ways. There's some signs lit up. So yeah, again, thanks for watching. I hope this helps some people make a decision. I'm very happy with this. I had a rough country light bar before that was a 20-inch, and I'd say this is comparable, if not a little bit brighter. For the money, you can't beat it. And I do have rigid spotlights on the hood. Also, I have them covered up right now with socks, so I could just get the light bar only. I may go ahead real quick and pull those off and give you a quick shot of those also. Hold on just a second. So here's with the rigid spot beams uncovered, and this is just regular headlights right now. And here's with the spot beams. I have them aimed off in the ditch. I'm just using them as ditch lights, and you can kind of tell they do light up. I'm sorry, they light up the side of the road quite a bit better. My light bar is very low also, so it's not really getting a lot of the stuff up higher, but it does make a difference having those also. So both ways, can't go wrong with either light. The Auxbeam, I'm very happy with it again, like I said, and I think it'll make a great light for anybody doing some off-roading or just want some more light on the highway at night, which is about what I'm using it for. So I'll put a link in the description of where I got them, and if you'd like to pick some up, do it. Thanks.